So the fact that Lamine Yamal is starting means no surprises for Barcelona, the team that started the Copa del Rey final, and when it starts tonight, it means there's still no Robert Lewandowski or Alejandro Balde. Gerard Martinez at left back and Ferran Torres up front. It's a front line that's missing 40 goals from Lewandowski. Yamal plays his 100th game for Barcelona tonight at the ripe old age of 7. So Inter lost for the third game in a row at the weekend and make 5 changes tonight. Bastoni and Bisek return in the back three. Henrik Mkhitaryan was suspended domestically and replaces David Fratesi in midfield. Dumfries is referred to Darmian, and after 3 games out, Marcus Thuram is back up front with Lautaro Martinez. Out to Lamine Yamal is in the Barcelona lineup in the tunnel, tweaked the top of his leg when he slipped when shooting as part of the pre-match warm-up. But we think he's going to walk out with the team and take his place in the lineup tonight. The home team are the favourites. They won the Copa del Rey at the weekend to keep them on course for a treble. But the tough Italians from Milan are here to slow them down in the first leg. Inter think they've got what it takes to be Champions League winners. It's a wonderful scene. It's Barcelona versus Inter Milan on TNT Sports. This Barcelona team's played some brilliant football this season, but with Lewandowski out, there's extra pressure tonight on the likes of Yamal and Rafinha, but they can still play the fantasy stuff that the club's renowned for. Inter might lack the flash and pizzazz of Barcelona, but they might just be the team that can slow them down. All in all, it's fascinating. It's a stadium where Linford Christie struck gold back in 1992. Tonight, Barcelona's latest golden generation are taking centre stage in a big game once again.
La UEFA e le squadre esprimono il loro cordoglio per la morte del Papa Francesco, un uomo di giustizia e di pace. Vi chiediamo di osservare un rispettoso silenzio in sua memoria. Riposi in pace.
Gol del Barça! Gol de la